So welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to tear down the Audi A6 S-Line and actually inspect some of these damages. So this was categorized as a category S. A lot of people think that that means that it's actually structural damage, but it does not. Category N, S and B, they all go on the value of the damage to the vehicle. So this one being a category S, a lot of people are put off because they think, it's structural damage. But what it actually means is it's over, I think it's 40% of the vehicle's value is damaged, and that's how much it's going to cost to repair. So insurers are just like, nope. So what we're going to do today, we're going to tear it apart, and hopefully there's nothing too bad back there. Looking under the bonnet, I mean, obviously it's pulled forwards on the bolts. But I mean, with a smash as hard as that to tear through the metal, which I believe, yeah, they're only aluminium wings on these, so they're pretty weak. So as much as that looks like quite a lot of damage, it's just bent a bit of aluminium, so that's not too bad. We'll save the badge off of this wing just to save me having to buy another one. Other than that, I don't think she's too bad. So let's get you put down somewhere, and I am going to start taking the front end off. Now, as you've probably heard me say before, put your bolts back where you got them from, and you can't lose them or forget where they went. That was a mission. So there's one bolt that's like hidden. I managed to get it. Now I've just got to disconnect the water lines for the washer jets in the bumper and the fog light. Other than that, she's off. So there you go. One very poorly Audi A6. So start off with, you can see that, well, as you can see, it's completely broken and split off at the end here, but that's straight, and that one has pushed over. So this actual bar itself is bent. The brackets that they come out of are still straight. So we have this bracket here that holds in part of the headlight. As you can see, it is bent. So we'll have to take that off. Headlight currently, as you can tell, has seen better days. Luckily it hasn't. Oh, it has, look. So we'll have to cut that back and solder some of that back together. Get some of this rubbish out of here. This bracket is clearly bent, but we can press all that back into shape. Same as this. So if I come around from the side, you can see that the bottom part of this has moved back. Which what we'll do is we'll need the new wing just to check that it hasn't pulled this section down. I mean, it looks okay, but what you see with your eyes is very different. And then the next issue that we have, this, however, the intercooler, I don't know if there is one on the other side, I don't think there is, has clearly seen better days. So it's fine all the way around. And then we get to this piece of rubber pipe, has some large splits in it, and then, well, the top of the intercooler, well, it's non-existent, is it? It's completely faffed. And then headlight bracket there, sorry, couldn't find my hand, is rather bent. Airbox, other than it's popped out of its clip and it's loose, actually looks okay. Yeah, right, we'll pull that off now and then we'll keep mooching. That is very bent. Jesus. Right, so I don't really know where to start. Windy as today. Right, so you've seen the damage. I've pulled off everything that I feel like needs to be pulled off at this point until I can get some new bits in. So I've got to repair this. So we're going to be on this one, I think, for a little bit now. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share it around with all your friends, help me out, and we can get on with this build and move on to bigger, better builds every single time. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.